to announce the results.
Rirari igongona ria kunengereria certificate cia uhotani kuri aria marathurirwo ni muingi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ta Atongoria. Atatu acio aria ni gavana wa ihinda riri Mwangi wa Iria, uria urari mubunge wa Kiharuna niwe seneta mweru wa kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata, na murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini no Sabina Wanjiru wa Chege ni maracokeirie muingi wa kaunti ya Murang'a ngatho ni kumahe mweke wa kumatungatira.
We decided to entrust your host with me and so grateful to the people of Kiharuna.
Ndumiriri-ini yake gavana Mwangi wa Iria ni aroririe aria marang'ethanagira nake gwitikira kurutithania wira nake niguo magaciririe muikarire ya aikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a.
Politics is about competition. So whatever happened, that was in the course of people competing and competing for a seat. So at this point, we want to forget and discount everything which went on. That is all water under the bridge.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa atumia Sabina Wanjiru ni eriire atumia kaunti-ini no kumatemera njira niguo atigirire onao ni maiyukia iturwa cia utongoria.
Murang'a in record, we have elected 3 women members of parliament. Nataka kusema shukrani tena zaidi. Tukienda kwa bunge kungangana maneno ya third, Murang'a already tumesurpass ile ya third. Kwa hivyo watu special thanks kwa watu wa Kandara, watu wa Maragwa na Kigoma.
Atongoria ni mateanirie muhuhu wati ni matarainie na makauga ni mekurutithania wira hamwe gutigira ni marutira muingi wa kaunti ya Murang'a wira. Gete ndiritheria Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.